Hi, my name is Avajit Gupta and I am here to make a video on pattern printing. Rhombus. This is a very famous question and most of the students facing a lot of problem during starting their career in coding, starting learning coding. So, because this question, I face also a lot of problems. Starting 2 to 3 months, I haven't touched this question, and now I am here to make a video on this so that every can understand what is the problem, how we can solve this question very easily. So I am making because I have how if our n equal to 3. Okay, this is the n equal to 2. This is the figure of based n equal to 2. So what we have to print like this: 0, 1, 2, and 3, and 2, 1, and 0. So this is the first half portion. We have to print 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And here is the 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0. I mean, this is the increasing order: 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is the decreasing order: 3, 2, 1, 0. And like this, we have to also print this: 2, 1, 0, and 1, 0, like this. And here we have to print 0, and here we have to print 0. Like this we are increasing, and like this we are decreasing our value. So I'm going to start this code, how this code is look like. So first we have to print first half portion. First half portion. So we have to make a run a loop for we can say row. This is the row. First row, I mean first row, second row, third row, fourth row. I mean our n is 3, and we are also starting our loop from 0. 0 first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So we have to run a loop like this for row in range from where 0 to n plus 1, because we are adding 0 as well as our n value. So like this for a row in range 0 to n plus 1. So first what we have to print? First we have to print like this. This is the our question what says. This is the first space. First space, here is 2 space, and here is 1 space, 2 space, and 3 space. Like this we are here 1 space, 1 space, 2 space, 1 space, 2 space. Yeah. we have to print like this. So I am going anywhere wrong or not? 0, 1, 2. Not this is right. This is right. Okay. Hmm. So we have to, our first half portion we have to print. And I run a loop for I in range. Then what I have to print this this space portion. So for this we have to run a loop. We can say first print space for I in range. Our space goes to 5 space. I mean our row is starting from 0. So first we have to print our 5. At first, I mean this is the row, and now our row here and n and space we have to print. n n value 3, row value 0. So here is the n minus row, means 3 space, n minus row. This is n, yeah, this is row, this. So 3 space. So what we are going to do in this loop, for I in range from 0 to n minus row. Print like this. We have to print space, but for understanding purpose we can print a slash and using and operator, so that all the code, all the uh, data joined in a flat row string as a string. So let's print what is our answer so that we can check also, because checking is the first, so that we can understand easily what we are doing. Like this, for example, this is a 2, so this is showing. If I'm taking here 3, so this is the test case. This is printing like this, right? I mean this is printing like this. This is a space, and I have to remove this first, so that you can just compare. You can compare. Okay. So now what we have to, second we have to print data, but data is our in increasing order. Okay, just like 0, 1, 2, and then decreasing. So first our data is increasing order. So 0 to row, we can say row. Yes. It is, we have to print as a increasing. So for I in range, we can say 0 to, from where it goes decreasing order. So row, comma, -1, comma, -1. But here is a catch. We already added this row. Row means if I'm talking about row third, fourth. So our row is third. And we are already added this. So we have to start from decreasing 2, 1, 0 like this. So we can, again, we are running our loop. Row -1, so that we can start from here. Okay, then we can print what is our answer. I comma ind equal to ind operator. This is very beautiful operator, so that we can easily traverse on the array like this. We are printing row -1. Row -1, it is so 0. It drops. Here, first space we already printed, and we have to print 0 to 1. So here, what is the catch? If I am talking about row, is it printing correct? Let me check. And rows space printing 0 to n-1. We are also not taking +1. Let me check. It goes brushed totally. So this is not correct. Okay, let's go on so that we can get an idea what is what we are doing. So talking about third, print data, but in row to 0, decreasing order. So for I in range, here we have to print from rows, not row -1. You can, yeah, this is right. it comes. Okay, first I write this, then row minus 1, comma, minus 1, print I, comma, and operator. Let's see. Yeah, this is the our first portion is printed like this. Here we are just listen. This is the first second data we are going to print. Okay, second term. So our data 0 to n means row. This is row 0. This is one row. This is second row. This is third row. So I just I also minus this, so I that's why I'm getting wrong, not correct answer, but now it is correct. So we have to started from row to 0. First we have to print, not row. What is happening? So first I'm getting correct, not correct. This is not correct. This is given wrong order. So this is the not catch. This is the catch. This is we have to print from 0 to 0 to row plus 1. We are adding row. Now it is correct. Like this. 0, like this. 0, 0, and first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So here first, second, we are painting 0 to row, 0 to row. And this loop is printing uh, row means from here to 0. So our first portion is completed, and this is for understanding purpose. That's why I put slash. So if I remove this, so we will get space. We are putting simply space. So now this is simple code for half portion, and let's do for the second half portion. So second half. So friends, this is very easy if you are coding like scratch wise, so it is very beneficial for us for understanding purpose. For we can also explain same code to others without any difficulties. For I in, for here we can say row. Row I'm putting because in this here you can, if you are seeing, this is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and this is a row, our catch. First we are printing this first portion we are printing space, second portion we are printing increasing order 0 to row, 0 to row, and third loop we are running row to 0. This is the simple 3 steps we are using to solve this problem. Okay. And next half, we are going to print this. So from our row is starting from 2. So simple loop, run a loop for row in range. We can say n minus 1, minus 1, comma minus 1. Our row value is 2, 1 and 0. If we are catching our n value is 3, so we are starting n minus 1. It means this is starting from 2, so we can say row value is 2 and 1 minus 1 and 0. This is stop at 0. So simply we have to write like this code. Second half portion. Second half portion, we run a loop our row, and first print space for I in range, from where we have to print. Here is our row. I mean, yes, here is a catch. You can also please care here. And row and space. Space is n minus row. Here n value is 3. Row value is, here n value is 2. Because I am starting from where? 2. So row value 2. Row minus 0. First space is 0 print, and n value 2. This is decrease 1. We are printing 1 space, and n value 2 and row value 0. So we are printing 2 space. Like this we have to also print. So it is very simple. So we have to run a loop over 0 comma n minus row. So let's print, so we can easily. I am printing slash for understanding purpose, so that I can also understand and you can also understand. Let's print what is our answer. Yeah, this is showing correct, because we have to print like this is reverse order. This is a you can say pyramid, and this is a reverse pyramid. So our first portion is space is completed, and second print data from where. Here is the catch, from 0 to row. 0 to row, increasing order for I in range 0 comma row plus 1 because we are including our row. So print I comma end operator equal, let's see what we are getting. This is a 0 1 0 1 2 0 1 and 0, and one steps we have to also more close here. This is for understanding purpose, so we can not now. First I complete this code, then I will remove. Third, print data, but not but in this from row to 0 decreasing order, so we can in the understand easily. For I in range our from row minus 1, because in the upper above loop we are including already included row, so here we are going to exclude row minus 1 to minus 1 minus 1. So print our I using end operator like this. Here we can check this is showing right. So by removing this slash, this is for understanding purpose, so we can understand easily. Yeah, if I submit this code, so what is getting? This is submitted. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.